Welcome to your daily moment of meditation for serenity and financial prosperity. The serenity to accept people, situations, and feelings is essential to keep your mind focused on your path to prosperity. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to not miss any of our meditations and tips for an abundant financial life. Find a quiet place where you can sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Let's begin. Inhale slowly, filling your lungs with fresh air. Exhale slowly, releasing all tension. Feel connected to the present moment. Give thanks for what you have today, from your health to your loved ones. Remember that prosperity begins with gratitude. The more you express gratitude, the more reasons you find to be thankful. Now, imagine yourself surrounded by the serenity of a peaceful place. It could be a beach, a forest, or a garden. Feel the calm and peace of this place. Visualize your financial life thriving. See yourself achieving your goals, paying off your debts, and realizing your dreams. Feel the confidence and joy that prosperity brings. Repeat after me, I am worthy of prosperity. Money flows easily to me. I make wise financial decisions and I am in control of my financial life. Focus on your breath. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. With each breath, feel serenity and tranquility filling your being. Remember that inner serenity is the key to prosperity. When we are at peace, we make clearer and more constructive decisions regarding money. As this meditation comes to an end, know that serenity and prosperity are always available to you. Keep your mind open and your heart grateful. When you are ready, open your eyes and return to your day with a renewed sense of serenity and confidence in your financial prosperity. Thank you for joining us in this meditation for serenity and financial prosperity. If you wish to continue your journey towards wealth and prosperity, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Wealth and Prosperity. There, you'll find more guidance, tips, and meditations to achieve your financial goals and live a life full of abundance, peace, and prosperity.